a skincare brand with the name Natural Glow Skincare. And here on screen you can see the Facebook page of my brands. So here to receive new leads for my business, I'm running some Facebook lead ads. So now here whenever I receive a new lead, I wanted to add them as a new contact inside my Agile CRM. But now manually adding leads into a CRM takes a lot of time. That's where I set up a simple automation connecting my Facebook lead ads with my Agile CRM using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. Now whenever I receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, instantly that lead is added as a new contact into my Agile CRM. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this connection for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. Or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, so now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first, and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select create from scratch. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chat and it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. Let me add it. It says when a new lead comes in from Facebook lead ads, add it to Agile CRM. And after analyzing my request, it is asking which Facebook lead ads trigger should start this workflow. So we're going to select new lead instant, and for Agile CRM, we are going to select create contact. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received our workflow link. That means we have successfully set up our workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with automation by simply setting up our trigger. Here we have selected app and the app event, and now here we are going to build a new connection. For that we are going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads, and here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account. Then we are going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we are now successfully connected. Here I easily got connected because I was already logged into my account in the same browser. Then here it is asking for a page name and the lead gen form. So as you know that I have my page with the name Natural Glow Skincare, and for the lead gen form, let me take you to Meta Business Suite. From here we are going to select that particular option, and then we are going to select all tools from the left side bar. Under all tools we are going to select instant forms, and now here in this lead ads form you can see the form that I have with the name Natural Glow Lead Ad Forms. So here you can create the form as per your requirement. For now I'm going to use this particular form. I'm going to select same from the drop down. Here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. Now here after selecting page and the lead gen form, I'm going to update the response format to simple because I want to receive the response in a simple organized format. Then you're going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So here to generate the test lead, we are going to use the lead ads testing tool by Meta. For that, let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is my Meta for Developers account. From here, select resources and then select developer tools. Under developer tools, you need to select a tool with the name lead ads audio debug tool. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here we are going to select the page as natural glow skincare. Then we need to select the product and the form. After that, click on this preview form. Here I'm going to add some dummy details and make a test submission. Alright, let me add these dummy details over here. First name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummyuser@pabblytudes.com, and a random phone number. Then we're going to click on this continue and then submit. You can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Once we have received a new lead, we are going to add them as a new contact into our Agile CRM. For that, I've selected app and the app event. Here we are going to build a new connection, and it is asking for a login email, API key and domain. So firstly, we are going to get the domain from Agile CRM. Here in the path URL, you can see this is our domain. We are going to copy it, and then we are going to add it over here. After that, it is asking for an API key. So to get the API key, what we are going to do is that we are going to click on this profile icon. From here, select admin settings, and under admin settings from the left side, select developers and API. This is our API key. You need to copy it. If you wish, you can reset it as well. For now, I'm going to copy it, and then we're going to add it over here. Then comes the login email. So I'm going to add the login email over here. And after adding the details, I'm going to click on the save button. You can see we are now successfully connected. Then here it is asking for a first name, last name, email address and some other details. So instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that you're going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ads. Instantly, this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first. Here we are going to map the first name. Then here we are going to map the last name. Here we are going to map the email address. Moving forward, here we are going to map the phone number. Then here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. After adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact inside our Agile CRM. Let's go and check it. Here we are going to move towards the section of contacts. Let me refresh it. And you can see a new contact has been created over here with the name dummy user, and these are the details. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. But before that, let me show you how it is going to work in the real time by generating another test lead using lead ads testing tool by Meta. So here we are going to move back. Here it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So to create a new one, I'm going to click on this delete lead button to delete my previous lead, and it says your lead has been deleted. So now we are going to refresh it, and that's a necessary step. Now again, I'm going to select my page, my product and my form. After that, we are going to click on this preview form, and then again we are going to add some dummy details. This time I'm going to add the first name as John, last name as Joe, email as john@pabblytudes.com, and a random phone number. Then we are going to click on this continue and then submit. You can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Agile CRM. Here I'm going to refresh it. And you can see a new contact has been created over here automatically. So this is how magically this automation is going to run in real time. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to add your Facebook lead ads into Agile CRM. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.